The complete home ultrafiltration system is also like the UV, one used where you're maybe in a smaller municipality and you think there's a bit of a risk of bacteria coming through, or you're further away from one of the main distribution points where, for example, your water doesn't have a lot of chlorine coming through. Again, for a borehole, we recommend contacting us. Let us modify the system a little bit for your specific uses. The one thing to keep in mind with the ultrafiltration systems is that we have two different kinds of membranes. We have the industrial membranes, which are definitely the better option to go for, but they are a little bit more expensive as they filter to 0.02 micron, which is really fine. They filter to the point where you definitely get rid of all the bacteria and you actually get rid of certain things such as viruses in the water as well. Then we also have got a more budget-orientated ultrafiltration option, which is at about 0.2 micron, which still removes bacteria, but it's not as certain that it'll remove all of it as with the industrial ones. Another thing to check with the ultrafiltration is, do you have sufficient water pressure? And also one of the things is, how can you install it? Ideally, you want to install it in a place where it can be mounted vertically, so the flushing of the system will be more efficient. The big advantage of ultrafiltration is it doesn't require electricity.